Jesus freak here, and while I'm waiting for an eBay purchase to start moving, I just got to thinking. I noticed there's a lot of focus on, digging deep into the word and, going back to the original languages and all this textual criticism stuff. And I get to thinking, why are we wasting our time trying to figure out how corrupt the Bible is? I mean, honestly, if that's what you're doing, it's probably going to destroy your faith because you're looking at it with the wrong eyes. Why not take that time, grab a few KJVs, go out and soul win? I mean, if you're looking at it with the right eyes, like when I did my translation of the New Testament, it's only going to confirm that we already have a perfectly suitable Bible. And if there's a reason people aren't understanding it, it's because they don't want it. Not because, which to be fair, I mean, English has moved on a lot in 400 years, but supposedly our education system is supposed to be able to compensate for that. Yeah, right. But it's more important, to me at least, to spread the word than to try picking nits out of it. If you got the wrong mindset, you're going to be led in the wrong direction. Remember, all these other new religious movements and all these other false so-called Christianities, they're out there. They're going around. They're going door to door. They're engaging in soul winning. Where are we? What are we doing? Why aren't we doing our job? I have a Bible with me all the time just in case I have a use for it. Because obviously, there's always going to be a use for it. Just, someone's going to be there that might be receptive to the message. And I don't mean that abortion of a Bible translation called message. Instead of trying to tear the Bible apart, why aren't we getting out there and building people up in the Word? I mean, as I record this, it's like 1:45 in the morning, so. But as the days come and the days go, and we're coming closer to that all important point in time, we're the watchmen on the walls. Why are we slacking? What are we doing? Jesus freak out.